Welcome to Bavaria. So here in Bavaria, of course, is a place to find Impalas. Walking through and saw this 59 Impala hanging out at the end of the row here at this car meet in Bavaria. I just don't see these type of cars here very often. Somebody's having fun with this. Looks well loved. And these have the outrageous fins. What do you think of these crazy fins on this car?
Just lovely. Just lovely. It's probably been left behind by a GI somewhere in Germany and picked up by a collector.
Yeah.
It's got a lovely feel to it. Very original.
Yeah, people are just gawking at this thing here.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
I don't blame them. I'll walk around the back here.
Yeah, it's got many accessories too.
Big bat fins on the back. Highly desirable car in America. One of the favorites for collectors. There's a lot going on with a 59 Chevrolet. It's not subtle. This still appeals to your conservative German tastes?
Well, they're becoming more and more fashionable, of course.
Yeah. It is fun to see.
And they're still affordable.
Yeah.